Let's move on to the next question. Question number 9. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meters stand vertically on a plain ground. So I made a rough diagram. Two poles, AB is of 11 meter and DC is of 6 meter. They stand vertically on a plain ground. I made the 90-degree angle as well. If the distance between their feet is 12 meter, so the distance between their feet is 12 meter, calculate the distance between their tips. So I need to calculate the length of AD. Now to do this, let's see what can we do. So maybe I can draw a line which is parallel to CD and make this into a right angle, into a rectangle. Okay, perfect. So let's start. Construct DE perpendicular to AB. Perfect. We need to calculate length of AD is equal to 1. So EDCB is a, yes, correct, it's a rectangle. Therefore, ED is equal to BC is equal to 12 meter. So ED is 12 meter. And CD is equal to EB is equal to 6 meter. So this is 6 meter. So how much would AE be? Yes, AE would be equal to AB minus BE, which is 11 minus 6 is equal to 5 meter. So this is 5 meter. Now I have a right angle triangle. In a right triangle AED using Pythagoras Theorem, I get AD square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square, which is 25 plus 144. Therefore, AD is equal to square root of 169. Therefore, AD is equal to 13 meter. Since this is a word problem, therefore, the distance between the tips is 13 meter. Thank you. So let's move on to question number 11. I've made a rough diagram. In this, XY is given parallel to BC, AY is given equal to 8 centimeter, AB is given to 12, and the relationship between AX and XB is 1:2. So let AX is equal to 1 L, therefore XB is equal to 2L. L is the variable that I've taken. As per the question, AB is equal to AX plus BX, which means 12 is equal to L plus 2L, 3L is equal to 12, therefore L is equal to 4. Therefore AX is equal to 4 centimeter and XB is equal to 2L, which means equal to 8 centimeter. So we need to calculate the length of AC and length of BC. So we've calculated this as 4, this as 8. It says AY is to YC is also AY is to YC is also 1:2. Now AY is 8 upon YC we don't know is equal to 1 upon 2, which means YC is equal to 16 centimeter. So YC is 16 centimeter. We need to calculate the length of AC and BC. So therefore AC is equal to AY plus YC, which is equal to 24 centimeter. Calculate length of BC. Oh, we didn't need the ratio of AX and XB. Okay, doesn't matter. So in a right triangle ABC using Pythagoras theorem, what do we get? We get theorem, we get 8 plus 16, that's 24 square is equal to 12 square plus BC square, which means BC square is equal to 24 square, which is 576 minus 12 square, that's 144. Therefore BC is equal to square root of 432. Now 432 can be written as 16 into 9 into 3, which means it is equal to, this is 4, square root of this is 4, square root of this is 3, is equal to 12 root 3. What's the unit given? Centimeter. So 12 root 3 centimeter, or if you multiply this with 1.732, you'll get the answer as 20.78 centimeter. You can leave your answer here or here because the question doesn't say give answer in decimal. So let's move on to the last question from this exercise, question 12, part 1. It says in triangle ABC, angle B is 90°, AB is x minus 3, BC is x plus 4, and AC is x plus 6. We need to calculate the length of these three sides. So we apply Pythagoras theorem in right triangle ABC using Pythagoras theorem. What do I get? I get AC square, which is x plus 6 square, is equal to x minus 3 square plus x plus 4 whole square. Let's open the brackets. So this is x square plus 12x plus 36 is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 plus x square plus 8x plus 16. X square plus 12x plus 36 is equal to 2x square negative 6x plus 8x, that's plus 2x plus 16 plus 9, that's 25. Let's take everything on the other side. So 2x square minus x square plus 2x minus 12x plus 25 minus 36 is equal to 0. 2x square minus x square is x square, 2x minus 12x minus 10x, and this is minus 11 is equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation. We've solved quadratic equations earlier by splitting the middle term. So I need to find factors of negative 11, the sum of which is negative 10. So negative 11 can be written as negative 11 into positive 1. That'll give me negative 10. Perfect. So x square minus 11x plus x minus 11 is equal to 0. X times x minus 11. I've combined these two and I've combined these two, plus 1 times x minus 11 is equal to 0. X minus 11 is common. X plus 1 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to 11 or x is equal to negative 1. Now, if x is equal to negative 1, then this side will become negative 4. If x is equal to negative 1, AB is equal to negative 4 centimeter. Since length of a side of a triangle can't be negative, therefore x is equal to negative 1 is not possible. So then what I am left with is, therefore x is equal to 11. So AB is equal to 11 minus 3, that's equal to 8 centimeter. Units given? Yes, centimeter. BC is equal to 8 plus, not 8, 11. 11 plus 4, that's 15 centimeter. And AC is equal to x plus 6, that's 11 plus 6 is equal to 17 centimeter. That finishes this exercise for me. Your homework questions are question 2, question 3, question 5, question 8, question 10, and question 12, part 2. Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe. I'll see you next time.